Hello everyone, good morning. Today I am going to teach you articles. Okay, so articles are of two types: indefinite articles and definite articles. Okay, so indefinite articles are a and definite article is only the. Okay, so articles are also parts of speech. Okay, articles are called determiner. Okay, so in English, determiners are very important if you want to speak perfect or fluent English. So you must have the knowledge of the parts of speech, determiners, articles, and the. Okay, so here I am going to tell you the some important rules how to use a and the and where to use. So here I have written some rules. If you apply this in your sentence or in your words, you can speak better English. So rule number 1 is all singular nouns begins with vowel sounds get an before them. So all the singular nouns which have vowel sound, okay, vowel sound get an before them. For example, ear. So ear, first letter of ear is e, and e is vowel, so n will come here. Okay, I, e y e, the first letter of I is e, so e is vowel and n will come here. So apple, A-double-P-L-E, apple, and the first letter of this word is also a vowel. A is vowel, so n will come here. So there are 5 vowels. Okay, A, E, I, O, U, and the rest is consonant. Okay, 21 consonants. So in consonant we use a before them. So rule number 2, all singular nouns which begin with consonant sound get a before them. So the nouns, okay, which start with consonant sound, okay, consonant sound, okay, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the consonant. Okay, if any word begins with consonant sounds, get a before them. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Okay, the first letter of the horse is H and it is a consonant. Okay, so I have written here a. B-A-G, bag. The first letter of bag is B and it is also a consonant, so a will come here. C-A-P, cat. Okay, C is consonant, so a will come here. So in this way, the noun which start with consonant sound, okay, the noun which begin with consonant sound get a before them. So rule number 3, all the abbreviation which begins with vowel sound get n before them. Abbreviation means short form. Okay, for example, I have given here MB, MLA. So when we pronounce MP, when we say MP, M, okay, the vowel sound will come. When we pronounce M, the vowel sound will come. So in every abbreviation, that means short form, an will come. Okay, MLA, when we pronounce M, again the vowel sound is coming from this abbreviation, so an will come here. Okay, so always remember that all the abbreviation which have vowel sound, okay, all the abbreviation which have vowel sound get an before them. Okay, so rule number 4, the singular nouns which have silent h get an before them. So in many words, okay, many words which have silent h, for example, our, honest man, etc. Okay, so in this word the H is silent. Okay, this H is silent, only we pronounce these three letters, our. So H is silent, and here also H is silent. Honest, so we don't have to pronounce H. Okay, so from O we pronounce. Okay, honest, it is called honest. So in both this word the H is silent. So if in any singular noun, okay, if any singular noun which have H and the H is silent, get an before them. Rule number 5. All the singular nouns begin with a consonant sound of YU. Get a before them. So all the singular nouns which begin with a consonant sound of YU. Okay, YU, get a before them. If the word starts with vowel, even the word start with vowel, we write a, because the first letter of the word sounds YU. Okay, when you speak or pronounce European, so the sound is coming YU. So that's why A is written. Okay, unicorn, YU sound is coming from here. So the singular noun which begin with consonant sound YU, okay, get a before them, even the word starts with vowel. Rule number 6. All those things which are only one of their kind get the before them. So the things which are unique, okay, specific things, get the before them. So on our earth there is no other kind of them. Okay, so these types of nouns get the before them. For example, sun, moon, earth. So there is no other sun in our solar system. There is no other moon on our earth. So in our solar system there is only one earth. So the things, those things which are only one of their kind, get the before them. So these are the examples: sun, moon, earth, and many more examples are there. Now rule number 6. All the names of rivers, holy books, directions, newspaper, mountains, desert, oceans. Okay, these are the names, okay, of rivers, books, newspaper, mountains, desert, get the before them. Okay, for example, Chambal. Chambal is the name of river. So we used to write the before the name of the river. Bible. Bible is a holy book. Okay, Bible is a holy book of Christian. So there is no other book, holy book, okay, of Christianity. So the is written here. The Times of India. Okay, it is the name of newspaper. So the is written here. CHE the. Ramayan, it is also a holy book. The is written here. Third desert, it is the name of a desert in India. Okay, it is in Rajasthan. So if you apply this, some important rules, okay, of the uses of a and the, you will able to understand articles, where to use and how to use. Okay, so let me tell you once again, articles are of two kinds. Okay, indefinite articles and definite articles. Okay, indefinite articles are a and definite article only the. Okay, students, for today's video lesson only this much. Thank you.